First thing you want to do with these yellow, red, and blue butt connectors or electrical connectors is cut that plastic off. So I find it's fairly easy with a razor blade or cutters or however you want to do it. There we go. Step one. Looks better already. Next, let's get our wire insulation stripped off. I'm not a fan of these styles of wire strippers. I should upgrade soon. There we go. I like to hold the connector in the crimping pliers, and then that way I get a free set of hands basically. Now I can get my wire inside. Should have a little bit of stick out, but not too much. And then I can crimp sufficiently. I'm also gonna solder that. So I'm just gonna use the third hand here to hold that wire for me. These are like 10 bucks on Amazon, whatever. I have my solder iron already hot. I'm gonna tin the end so I have a fresh, wet puddle. So I get good heat transfer. I'm gonna put that underneath, and then I should be able to get good heat to that connector. There we are. And now I got weather control, so protect that copper wire from corrosion, the elements, that type of thing. And the last step is the heat shrink. And there we are. Nice professional looking connection to an eyelet or a spade or whatever you want. Way more gooder.